Hello and welcome to the new video for the channel Bitcoin is Simple. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe right now so you don't miss our next videos about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Alright guys, so in this video I want to share with you this app, this Android app, where you can make a lot of money easily, and also you can buy a lot of cheap stuff easily too. Watch this video and you will learn how to use this app and you can make a lot of money. This is not related to cryptocurrency, but money is money, right? So you can make a lot of money and you are going to get paid in your PayPal account. So it's very useful and also very easy to use. As you can see, you can buy a lot of stuff for a very cheap price. If you compare the price with other stores, and you can see that you can buy stuff for a lot of categories. You can buy shoes, for example, for a very low price. You can buy bags for children or for women or even for men. You can buy watches, earrings. You can buy rings, necklace, and also you can buy smartwatches and a lot of stuff. So make sure to check the link in the video description so you can start using this app too. But my main focus on this video is this option in this app that you can make money easily, and I'm telling you, it's really easy. And as you can see, this is the first time that I log in this app today, so I get 10 coins. And when you get coins, you can withdraw your coins for real money through your PayPal account. So it's easy to make money, and you can use your balance also to buy stuff in this website. So you can have discounts using your virtual balance, or if you get to a good amount of coins, of virtual coins of this app, you can exchange your coins for real life products, just like I've shown you before. So you have both options. You can withdraw your coins for real money in your PayPal address, or you can also exchange your balance for real life products. So it's very useful. I will leave the link to this website in the video description, so don't forget to check it out. And as you can see, you can also make some tasks that will get you more coins. And as you can see, it's really easy to get coins. If you keep logging in every day, you will double your coins, so it's worth it to keep checking the app so you can make more and more coins. Another very interesting point of this app is that they have this freebies and cash reward. It's a system where you can get freebies, and as I mentioned before, you can also get real money. So don't forget to check this app, and you can get these crystals, and for each 10 crystals you can get $1 in your PayPal account. And if you invite some friends, you can get 10 crystals just by doing that, just for inviting someone. And also you can get up to 40 crystals when they order. And just by registering using my link that I will leave in the video description, you will start with $2 already, and also a $20 coupon, so you can use in any order you want. So don't forget to check the video description for the link. So I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to check the video descriptions for the link to this app so you can start using it right now and make money. And also you can also buy real life products. You can buy a lot of products. Even if you don't get the amount of coins that you need, you can exchange the coins for discounts, so you can get coupons with discounts really fast and really easily. So don't forget to check the video description for the link to this app. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and making money online. Also, please let me know in the comment section If you like this kind of app, if you like this kind of opportunity to make money online, just let me know about it so I can look for more opportunities like that. So just let me know, just leave a comment. So leave a comment, leave a like, and see you next time.